This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, yesterday we saw the corn market being driven higher by strong demand and weakness in the U.S. dollar. The demand was evidenced by a great weekly export sales number of 75.8 million bushels, and prices drew additional support from ongoing dryness in South America, and thought that we're going to see additional reductions in the size of the crop in Argentina and Brazil. The soybean market opened higher on decent demand, and weekly exports came in at 33.9 million bushels, and that was above trade estimates. Midway through the session, weather reports led to renewed concerns for dryness in Argentina and the likelihood of additional production cuts in that nation. That generated enough buying to propel the market to close above $12 a bushel for the first time on this move. The wheat market traded higher as the recent sharp losses in U.S. dollar have made us more competitive in the world export market. Paris milling wheat also traded higher in anticipation of reductions in the Russian wheat exports, although their gains were limited by strength in the euro. Cotton futures had a big breakout day to the upside as they closed in on new life of contract highs. At the finish, we had the March futures up 154 points as they settled at 77.19. Livestock futures had a mixed session. We had the February live cattle up 67.5 cents for the day, while March feeder cattle were 62.5 cents stronger. Lean hog futures were a touch weaker. We had the February futures down 47.5 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures had a really tough day. They moved back down towards the recent lows. At the close, we had January futures 49 points lower as they settled at 15.64. In the meat cutout values, we had really a mixed turnout yesterday. Choice box beef was $2.29 higher, as they closed at $209.51. Select boxes were $1.61 stronger to settle at $193.70. Pork carcass cutout values lost ground on the day as they ended $1.64 lower, closing at $73.22 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.